The first step in this project is to disconnect the battery. The odds of igniting a spark plug while you're working on it are pretty slim, but there's really no reason not to. The next step is to remove the engine cover by pulling up on the front of the cover to remove it, and then the back has these two little notches that it sits in. The third step is to disconnect each of the ignition coils and remove the 10mm bolts that hold them in place. I thought it was easier to remove the bolt first and then take the coils out and disconnect them, but you can really do it in whatever order you'd like. When you remove each engine coil, be sure to give it a once over and look for any excess dirt or oil and wipe it down before you put them back. Step 4 is to remove your spark plugs. Use your spark plug tool to remove one spark plug and then immediately replace that spark plug. That way you don't get any debris or any other nonsense down in the hole. I installed Autolite 5325 double platinum. They seem to be working pretty well, but the other ones, as you'll see, were pretty beat up, so anything would have been an improvement. Here's a comparison of the old and new spark plugs. Replacement was very much needed. Step 5 is to repeat the same process of removing and then replacing a spark plug for the other 3 spark plugs. Technically, you're supposed to go in order of the way that the engine fires, but in this particular case, it's not critical that you do that. And the last step is to reconnect everything, put it back together, and enjoy your new spark plugs.